Manishi Dey was born on September 22, 1909, died January 31, 1966. He was an Indian painter of the Bengal School of Art. He was born in Dhaka, Bengal Presidency. In 1917, at the age of 8 years, Manishi Dey's father died and he was sent to the Santiniketan school Patha Bhavana, which was founded by the Nobel Prize-winning poet Rabindranath Tagore. He seemed to dislike the preparatory conventions of Santiniketan and became mutinous. His education changed favourably when he came in contact with Abanindranath Tagore's Bengal School of Art, the nephew of Rabindranath Tagore. He became one of the most versatile students of Abanindranath, whose other close students also included Nandalal Bose, Asit Kumar Haldar, Sarada Ukil, Mukul Dey, Venkatappa and Jamini Roy. These were the leading artists that spread the form and spirit of the neo-Bengal school throughout India. One of the major sources of Manishi Dey's inspirations were his travels as he traversed tirelessly throughout the Indian subcontinent in search of varied and newer visual idioms. His voyages helped him becoming a finished artist in Indian painting and the watercolor wash technique, an art style he used masterfully in his works. Manishi Dey's works changed radically and got a new freshness and vitality that lacked in his early years. A main influence was the Bombay Progressive Artists Group, which enabled him to exchange with numerous leading artists of his time. In 1949 he painted a series of 22 moving images of non-Muslim refugees from Pakistan that captured the agony and pain of their flight. In 2015, an auction of Christie's in New York promoted the Progressive Artists Group as the most influential group of Indian art ever created. The result was sales totaling more than $8 million, above the high estimate. This showed the strong interest in modern Indian art. With a hammer price of more than $4 million, the painting Birth by F.N. Souza realized the highest price ever for a work by an Indian artist.
For more video, subscribe our channel and switch the bell button more. I hope you like the video. Please like and share. Thank for watching.